protectors. Let's talk protectors. So protectors are these parts of ourselves that have taken on this role to look after us. They are there for us. They have got our backs. They are doing everything they can to protect us. They are like our biggest fans, essentially. And how have they come to have these roles? Something has happened and they have picked up a belief, an understanding of the world, some way of thinking that they have to operate to make sure that we can be looked after. And so they show up in two ways. The first way is what we call managers, and so these are considered very proactive parts of us, protector parts of us, and so they have this idea, never again. Not that bad thing that happened to you, never again. It's never going to happen. So they are trying to manage situations, preempt, control, organize, like they're very, in my mind, like James Bondy, like they're all across everything, like I've got you boo, like nothing's going to happen to you. That is what they are there for. They are laying out and just checking everything is a-okay. We then have these parts called firefighters, because no matter what the managers do, things don't always go to plan. Life happens. And so when things don't go to plan, someone's got to come in. Now, I actually don't know the James Bond movies that well to say what reinforcement would be, but someone else is going to be there and they are going to come in. Now, the thing about these firefighters is they are just like the crisis. We are in here, we don't care about anything else, we are just solving this problem. They are, just think of them as absolutely fixated. That's the problem and I have to stop it. And nothing else matters to them. So our firefighters can seem to everyone else to be quite, and sometimes to ourselves, to be quite harmful to us and harmful to others, because they are so focused on fixing the single problem that they see, they don't care about anything else. Of course, I'll do some more detail on each of these protectors, but overall what I'd like you to take from this is that protectors have your back. They may do things that have consequences that are unintended, but their sole purpose is to look after you. They just want the best for you, and that's what I want you to remember about your protector part.